Hello, I will explain how to install and remove the clock mechanism and parts. Let's get to know the parts first. There is the clock motor. Clock nut. This piece can be different shapes, but the function is the same. Hour hand, short but big hole. Minute hand, the taller one and the smaller hole. And second hand. Now let's combine this with our watch. We pass the clock motor through the hole without a nut. Then we fix the motor by turning the nut on the other side. Tightening it with your hands will generally suffice, but you can get support from a small pair of pliers if necessary. Then we take the hour hand, which is shorter but has a large hole. We insert it into the clock motor by crossing it through the hole. We gently push it on both sides with the help of our nails. As soon as it stands firm, the process is done. Then we take the minute hand, which is longer but has a smaller hole, and place it similarly. We stretch the minute hand a little before we do this so that the minute hand doesn't bump into the hour hand, like I do. And finally, we place the second hand. We attach it to the shaft on the motor while paying attention to the tiny protrusion of the second hand. Just like what we did for the minute hand, we stretch the second hand a little so that they don't bump into each other. And that's it. It's easier to disassemble. Holding the hour hand from the bottom, we push our finger under the hour hand and pull it upwards. That's all. Thank you for watching.